Hello students, I am the respected teachers of Dipti Bridgewell School. In this class, I will explain for class 5 maths, and this is your worksheet 1 having exercise 1 of chapter 1. That means the chapter 1 is numbers and numeration, and this is the sum of page number 5. Look at your book. As you know in your earlier classes that you have read the largest and smallest and having the digit numbers either 5, 4, 3 and so on. It is the prior one, but I hope you will continue in this manner. Like here what A is given, the largest 5-digit number is. The largest number is obviously the single digit is 9, double digit is double 9, triple digit, that means 3-digit number largest is 999 and so on. So it will be also the nines in the 5-digit that show the largest 5-digit number in this manner. So it is given here also the smallest 6-digit number. But as you know, it is the largest and we can get the smallest by adding plus 1. So look at this. If we add plus 1, it will be 10. It will be 1 lakh. That means if we add plus 1, it is the 1 lakh in the sense of smallest and 6-digit number. So we can write the number of 1B, the smallest 6-digit number is 1 lakh. Next question is question number 2. Write the numbers in figures. Here the number written in the figures. We have to write in figures and the number names are given in words. This is 23,110. So we will put, at first we will see the place value of the digits. 23,000. That means we have to start from the earlier places, that is 1, 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Here for tens 1 and 0, there is no one single digit as the ones place. 100, that means 100 at the 100th place, 1 is here. Next we will give 23,000 at the place 1000 is 3, and since it is the 2-digit, the 2-digit 23 becomes in the 1000 places. So 23 we will write as the 1000 place, 100 as the 100th place, and 1 for the 10th place, and we will be 0 at the 1st place. So we can write the numbers in the figures that is given in the words and so on. Take one example. Number F, 4 lakh 57,000 708. by giving the dots. This is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, but in the question there is written as lakh. So the place value will be increased as lakh. Now write one by one the numbers individually by putting the place value. That means 8. 8 is the one place. 700. 708. That means it is the single digit and it is put on the ones place. Now for the 100 place, I have seen 7. So 7 is put in 100 place. 1000. What? There is 57,000. 57,000 means the 2 digits, that is including the 1000 places 4. 1000 and 10,000. Then we will write 57 and obviously then on the left place there is the number is 4. So we will write 4 at the left place. But in the similar manner, here there is no number. We don't have any number at the place of tens. So we will put 0 at the tens place. That means the number written in the words are 4,57,708. That means 4,57,708. And so on. You will continue the next sum or remaining sums at your book and copies. Now, the question number 3. Here it is given, write the number names. That means you have to write the number in words, not in figures. Such as 27,538. How can we understand these number names? Yes. This is ones, this is 10, this is at 100, this is 1000 and 2 is the 10,000. So what will we write? Here 27, that means these are the two numbers including in the 1000 place. So we will write 27,000. Now at the 100 place I have 5. Then it will be 500. Now the tens place is 30, that means 3, and one place is 8. So we will write 538 and so on. The next sum we will also continue. ऐसे ही हम नेक्स्ट सम को कंटिन्यू करेंगे उनकी प्लेस वैल्यू के साथ उनके नंबर नेम्स को अटैच करते हुए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. राइट इन एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म. Expanded form. As you all know, in expanded form, it is very easy and you will be also interested in your earlier classes that it can be added as 5, 000, 4, 00, 3, 0, and 2. That means you have to put the numbers in the sequential manner, having the putting zeros at the place values remaining. that means 5, 4, 3, 2. This is the simple way in the expanded form and written as the short form. So, take one example, question number A, 43, 3, 4, 5. Then, what will we do? Yes, we will put in the sequential manner and having putting the zeros for the remaining portions, like 43. Here 4 is at the position of 10,000. That means the remaining numbers at the place value we have put zeros. So the remaining numbers are 4 digits. So I will put 4 zeros. Then there will be the sum for 3, and then the numbers are remaining numbers are 3 digits. So I am putting the 3 zeros, and so on. We will plus 2, next 3, and the remaining 2 numbers are, so we will put 2 zeros, and so on. I am continuing in this manner. Understood? It is the very simpler, simplifier or easier manner to understand the summation of real numbers including real place values. That means it is the expanded form. You can write other example like number E, 78,290. Here 7 at the place of 70, that means we will put 4 zeros. Then 8, it will be 3 zeros. Then 2, it will succeed as 2 zeros. And 9 for 1 zero. And also here the ones place is empty, that means at the ones place the number digit is 0 only. So we will write at the 0 for the ones place. That means जब किसी नंबर को जब हम एक्सपैंड करते हैं तो उनकी प्लेस वैल्यू के साथ जो रिमेनिंग नंबर्स की प्लेस वैल्यू होते हैं उतने ही डिजिट्स के हम 0 को पुट करते हैं. This is your expanded form, and also it's vice versa. That means it can be converted as the expanded form will be given and you have to write its short form. यानी आपको अगर expanded form दिया जाए तो उसके summation के साथ उसकी place value को attach करते हुए आप short form में लिख सकते हैं. Also easier for all you. That means you are in now class 5 and you also know these signs. That means these are the signs of less than and greater than or equal to. You all will know the signs. That means this is the less than. If the less than one is here, the closed mouth. That means the sign this one has closed mouth for the lowest number and the opening mouth for the highest number. That means अगर इस साइन का पीछे वाला हिस्सा जॉइंट है वो एंगल बना हुआ है, उस साइड लोअर नंबर होता है और जिस तरफ ओपनिंग साइंस होते हैं उसके हैंड्स ओपन रहते हैं तो वो उस तरफ highest number होता है. So let's see one example. Here now we will compare these two numbers and the similar process like the place value by looking looking at the place value and the base value itself. Here at the 10th position, 10,000 position, there is 6 and there is also 6. This is similar. We can write this is similar like this. 6 equal to 6. Now at first in this place value we will see 9 is greater than 7. Here 9 is greater than 7. So ultimately this place value of 9,000 or 69,000 is much greater than 67,000. So we will put the sign this. That means the opening ends are denoting the largest number and the closest ends are denoted as the smallest number. I hope you will understand. In the next example, 4, 8, that means D. 5, 3, 5 and 4, 3, 4, 8 and this is 3, 5, 5. That means look at these numbers. There is the totally different numbers. Don't be confused in the both 48,000 and 48,000. Look at the next number. This is 5 and this is 3. 5 is greater than 3. So ultimately this number is increaser or bigger number than this number. So we will put the sign of this. The opening ends are at the largest number. And the closed end denotes the smaller one. That means it is the smaller. So please make these sums. Make these sums, rest of the sums at your home. Do yourself. And if you have any confusion, then please make clear by asking me. Fill in the missing numbers. Fill in the missing numbers. Suppose one number is given 3, 1, 3, 4, 7, 2 and you have 2 vacant places. No, such as 3 vacant places. You have 3 vacant places and after that one other number is given. Another number is given. It is the prior and it is the later one number. So we have 3 vacant places and we have to put the successive numbers by understanding the manners, by understanding the processing system. That means here 3,13,472 and the last number is 3,13,476. That means only the ones place is increasing in this number. केवल वंस प्लेस की जगह पे जो नंबर है वो इंक्रीज कर रहा है. तो आप इसको कैसे लिखेंगे? 3,13,473. That means it is the plus 1 increasing. Plus 1 increasing number is 3,13,473. Now we will add in this plus 1. We will get 474 and so on. 3,13,475 and so on. The last number we will get. इस तरह से हम प्लस 1 करते हुए इन ब्रैकेट प्लेस को फिल अप करेंगे और लास्ट वन द डिजिट नंबर we will get finally. Let's some example another. It is the bracket place in the prior. एकदम पहले ही है. Then the number is given 38897 and also 2 vacant places. Last one is 38900. That means here 897. We all see these numbers in the increasing manner. It will get 900 at the last position. So what will be the idea? Yes, 97 is increasing as 98, 99 and last one it will converted as 800 to 900. That means at the 100 position the 8 is converted to 900 by adding +1. So though 2 vacant places can be filled up as 898 and 38,899. So look at here, +1 if we add it in this +1 we will get the last one number. So the first one will be right. Its predecessor or just before the numbers we will get as 38896. That means 97 becomes to 96. It is the predecessor number. So I hope you will get these ideas of the processing numbers by increasing or decreasing the numbers. Then question number 7, write the place value of underlined digit. Place value of underlined digit. What do you mean by place value? The place value denotes the numbers having the places 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000 at the Hindu-Arabic system or international system. Let's get some example. 72,375 and also look at your book. There is some underline belongs to 7 number. The 7 number is not here and not at the 10th place. It is at the 10,000 place and the 7 is underlined here. So read at the Hindu-Arabic system. This is 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. 1, 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000. So on, the 7 is at the place of 10,000. So this place value can be written as, I am erasing this number or this digit because you can understand the place value having the putting the zeros. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are remaining at the rest position. There is 4 zeros and it says the one for the place value 7. So we will get the place value of 7 at the place of 70,000. This will be the answer. That means you have to multiply the digit or the underlying number to its place value. That means how much place it conserves. That means 1, 10, 100,000. There is 4 vacant places for digit. Then we will put 4 zeros and the one number is for 7 itself. 7 के लिए 1 आएगा और उसके वैकेंट प्लेसेस पे उसकी जितनी प्लेस वैल्यू उसके नंबर्स और डिजिट्स को कवर करते हैं, उस कवर हुए नंबर के बदले उतने ही जीरोस बैठेंगे. तो it is the multiplied by 7 is multiplied by 10,000. So the place value of 7 is 70,000. It can be written as place value of 7 equal to itna. That means 70,000. Let's take another example. 5, 7. The question number is 7F. 57,175. So, can you tell me the digits? Yes, there are 5 digits and having the place value 1, 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000. So, it is the similar of the prior one, but here the underline is the number 5, not in the 10th position. It is the 1st position, not is at the 10,000 position. It is at the 1 position. Then we will write the place value of 5, that is underline 5, underline equal to 5, and also there is no any bracket place after these 5. That means there is no another digit here after 5. So we will put only 1 as the multiplication. हम केवल 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे क्योंकि इसके बाद और कोई डिजिट नहीं है और इसके बाद कोई जीरो पुट नहीं होगा. So it will be the 5 as the answer. That is the place value of 5, that is underline 5, is at the 1's place is only 5. Hoping that you are understanding these terms. Question number 8 is rearrange at ascending order. Ascending order means many of our students know that the ascending order is also the smaller to larger number. That we are increasing from smaller to larger. One example is here 73, 293, 73,923, 37,923, 37,293, and the last number is 73,392. So, in this sum, you have to recall your memory that I have taught earlier the sign sequence less than or greater than. That means we will compare in earlier sum as in this manner 6, 9, 7. In this manner, the 1's place is compared, the 2nd place, 10th place is compared, and the last one 100 place is compared. In this manner, if we compare the numbers at the place value, we will get. यानी हम जब इसके पहले सम में बताए कि इसके पहले जब कंपेयर करते हैं लेस देन और ग्रेटर देन को, तो उसके साथ नंबर्स की प्लेस वैल्यू को भी हम कंपेयर करते हैं और टैली करते हैं. तो वह प्रोसेस यहाँ पे आपको स्मॉलर और लार्जर डिसाइड करने में हेल्पफुल होगा. Let's see. At first, the 10,000 place is 7. There is also 7 and there is also 7. Here in question number 10, the 6 digits are given here. 1, 2, 0, 4, 9 and 6, and you have to put the 6-digit number in largest form. So we already know 9 is the greatest number, so we have to put 9 at the first. Next, 6, and then 4, and then 2, 1 and 0. Sorry students, marker is not working properly, but the number will be 96 420 4210. Sorry. And the 6-digit lowest number will be, you have to put 0 just after 1. It will be 1, 0, 2, 4, 6 and 9. The 6-digit lowest number. It is your exercise 1. Now open your book at exercise 2, page number 10. In exercise 2, page number is 10. It is given here, question number 1. Write each of the following number in words using Indian place value system. At first, look at your book, page number 7. It is the chart given here in the Indian place value system and also in the international place value system in the page number 8. You should follow the two charts. So you can write this number in the Indian place value system as, the number is given here 1, 8, 4, 8, 3, 7, 4, 5. And you have to write these numbers in words following the Indian place value system. So look at here, 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, and this is lakh. That means 4 is at the place of lakh. We can write 4 lakh. Look at this, 83. 83 is in the following position of 1000. So it will be 83,000 and so on. The number is 745. 745. So you can understand these numbers are written in words following the Indian place value system. Question number 2. You have to write these numbers using international place value system. That means in international place value system, we can put 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, and the lakh position is converted here as 100,000. Now it will be proceeded as million, then 10 million, and next one is 100 million. So if we get large numbers, so we have not to hesitate. We have to simply put in the international place value system following this chart, having your book in पेज नंबर 8. आपके बुक में में पेज नंबर 1 में दिया गया है, उस इंटरनेशनल प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट को अगर आप फॉलो करते हैं तो उस पे आपके सारे नंबर्स प्लेस वैल्यू के हिसाब से अरेंज किए हुए हैं, आपको कोई असुविधा कोई भी परेशानी नहीं होगी। सो लेट अस टेक वन एग्जांपल, क्वेश्चन नंबर डी 98, 256, 188. You have to write this number in words using the international place value system. So what will be this? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, then million and 10 millions. So this number can be written as 98 million. Now in this number 256, that means it is in the combined state 256 and its place value is under the place value 1000. आप इसको 1000 के प्लेस पे रखते हैं और इनकी डिजिट्स 1, 10 और 100 है, तो आप इसको कैलकुलेट करेंगे 256,000. 256,000 and the last one is 188, and you may write and or not as you wish. 188. So what will be your answer? 98 million here, 256,000 at the 1000 position, and the last one is 188. It will be written as in the form of international place value system. Now I hope you may understand, and as you continue your exercise, question number 1, 2 and 3, obviously following these rules. And if you have any problem, then please contact me. For now, it is the last one, and this is chapter 1 and chapter 1, exercise 1 and 2, worksheet 1 is completed. You may proceed in the similar manner, and I will continue in the next class.